Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, and I'm meeting you guys after so long. I feel so happy to shoot after almost 2 months, okay? And I'm really sorry, there were a lot of things going on. I don't want to bore you with all these things, but if in case आप मुझे पहली बार देख रहे हो, then hi, मेरा नाम जयश्री है and yeah, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लेना अगर जो आपको वीडियो एंड तक आप देख रहे हो आपको अच्छी लगी तो। जैसे कि गाइज आपको आज का वीडियो टाइटल देख के पता चल गया होगा, आई विल बी शेयरिंग विद यू ऑल रिव्यू अबाउट अ वेरी अफोर्डेबल स्किन केयर एंड हेयर केयर प्रोडक्ट लाइन विच इज मोहा। इफ इन केस आपको मोहा ब्रांड के बारे में नहीं पता है, देन आई जस्ट गिव यू अ लिटिल ब्रीफ अबाउट द कंपनी. So Moha provides effective therapeutic and herbal skincare and hair care products at very affordable prices. It's a leader in Ayurveda and it's a very old company, okay, almost 74 years पुरानी कंपनी है. सो आई वॉज वेरी इंट्रीग्ड एंड आई हर्ड अ लॉट अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड मोहा एंड वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट यूट्यूबर चैताली चड्डा, शी also talks a lot about this brand, so I had to try it and share my review with you guys. So if in case you're interested, then please keep on watching the video. So the first product that I have is Moha Herbal Scrub, and this is how the packaging looks like. I absolutely love the packaging. It's such a travel friendly packaging. I really love such kind of छोटा सा जो ट्यूब या फिर ऐसे पैकेजिंग होती है, यू कैन जस्ट पुट इन योर बैग एंड यू गुड टू गो. ऐसे बड़े बड़े बॉटल्स मुझे कैरी करना ज़रा भी नहीं पसंद. सो टॉकिंग बट द प्राइस, इसका प्राइस है 155 रुपीज़ और आपको इसमें 100 ग्राम्स मिलता है. बिफोर आई बिगिन विद माई एक्सपीरियंस विद द स्क्रब, आई जस्ट क्विकली वांट टू शो यू हाउ द कंसिस्टेंसी of the scrub looks like. मैं थोड़ा सा यहाँ पर अपने हाथ पे ले रही हूँ and I'll just quickly show you. So as you can see, it has a very creamy texture, which is something that I really like. The best thing that I like about this scrub is इसके जो scrub particles है बहुत ज़्यादा minute है. So if in case you have sensitive skin type, you can definitely give it a try. And इसकी जो base cream है, it's very creamy. So if in case you are a dry skin type person just like me, you're going to love it because once you just work through the scrub on your face, और आप जब face wash करते हो, my skin did not feel dry or itchy. What happens is with scrubs, when you just start scrubbing your face after washing your face, मेरी skin बहुत ज़्यादा dry हो जाती है. But ये scrub की वजह से मुझे ऐसा ज़रा भी feel नहीं हुआ. It's majorly I think because of the base cream that they have. I love the texture and I highly recommend this scrub. I really like it, okay? I mean, for 155 this scrub is really good. Also I forgot to tell you about the fragrance. It smells herbal, like it's not very strong but थोड़ा सा fragrance है इसके अंदर which is herbal. And I think if in case you are your skin is very sensitive, right, so you're definitely gonna like it again because it does not have fragrance या फिर एकदम वो perfumey sort of smell नहीं है. The next product is my absolute favorite, okay? I absolutely love this one. This is by Moha Foot Care Cream and again love the packaging. सारे जो भी तीनों products हैं उनके packaging same है. Absolutely love this travel friendly packaging. इसका cost is 250 rupees and again you get 100 grams in it. And this has papaya, aloe and peppermint. As you can see, it has papaya, aloe and peppermint, and it does smell like peppermint. And I am someone who really invest in a good foot cream because जैसे कि मैंने आपको बोला कि मेरी स्किन बहुत ड्राई है एंड विंटर्स में मेरी स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई हो जाती है. स्पेशली मेरे जो पैर है, फुट है, वो बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई हो जाते हैं. सो आई नीड अ वेरी थिक एंड thick cream, so that it keeps my legs hydrated, and this exactly does that. So I'll just show you quickly how the consistency of the cream looks like. And yeah, it's like this thoda sa yellowish sort of color है इसका. And as you can see, it's super creamy, okay? बहुत ज़्यादा thick है and creamy है. And usually क्या होता है, जो foot creams होते हैं थोड़ा सा thick होने ही चाहिए. If in case they are not thick, then they are not going to hydrate your legs for sure. So how I like to use this particular foot care cream is after taking a nice shower, I just scrub my leg using scrubber या फिर pubic stone whichever is available in the bathroom. और उसके बाद थोड़ा सा अच्छे से पैड ड्राई करने के बाद I apply a generous amount of this foot cream on my leg, and next day my legs are really soft and I love the feel of it. जो तीसरा प्रोडक्ट है वो मैं पहली बार ट्राई कर रही हूँ and this is basically मोहा का nail care cream. And again let me just show you a close up. So yeah, again love the packaging and it cost 200 rupees, and again you get 100 grams of product in it. So it helps you to give healthy, strong and glossy nails, and it has almond oil and flaxseed oil, which is very good for your cuticles and also helps to promote your nail growth. If in case आपके जो nails है बहुत जल्दी टूट जाते हैं, then you should definitely try such kind of nail creams. It will definitely help because it has almond oil and flaxseed oil. And ये let me just quickly show you how the consistency of the cream looks like. मैं अपने हाथ पे ही दिखाती हूँ. So yeah, I'll just take a little bit of the cream, and this is how the cream looks like. Let me just so this is again a very hydrating sort of cream, and once you just massage this on your nails and cuticles, it gives a nice hydration and yeah, definitely solves the purpose. So ये इसे मैंने पहली बार try किया. I'm not someone who invests a lot into nail care products, but I was like this time I was feeling like I should invest in a good nail care cream, because मेरे जो नाखून है बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे टूट जाते हैं. I think ये लेंथ से थोड़ा सा आगे ज़्यादा तक बढ़ते हैं, बट इसके आगे इट्स अ नो फॉर मी. मैं मेंटेन नहीं कर पाती. यूजली मेरे नेल्स यहाँ बीच में से टूट जाते हैं, ऑल दैट इश्यूज आई फेस. सो आई थॉट आई जस्ट इन्वेस्ट इन अ नाइस नेल केयर cream, and again it's a very affordable cream, only for 200 rupees, and you get 100 grams of product in it. So I absolutely love all these products, but my major favorite, I can say, I really loved both these products, which is herbal scrub and foot care cream are my absolute favorite. And since I really like these both, I am planning to try more of their skin care and hair care products also. उसका भी मैं रिव्यू आपके साथ जल्दी से ही शेयर करूँगी. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड. एंड इफ इन केस, जैसे कि मैंने आपको कहा कि बहुत सारे लोग मुझे पहली बार देख रहे होंगे शायद, तो या प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब, and let's meet up in my upcoming videos very soon. Till then, I love you all. Take care and be safe. Bye.